I'm Fami's co-founder of Ota. We are a men's necktie brand and we specialize in apparel as well.
So thanks for joining me today. Just want to kind of get a background on where you guys are at with SEO. We've been working together now for like 5 to 6 months, right around that mark. What did your guys' SEO look like before us, whether it was like an agency, in-house, freelance, or combination of those?
We've used a combination of agencies and in-house in the past. I think with the agencies, we've just had issues where they tend to go pretty niche into the specialities. So some agencies are really good at technical, some agencies are really good at keywords, keyword jamming and all that. Some agencies are good at getting spammy links. So I think that sometimes it's good at getting sort of short-term results, but not really good long-term results in our sort of experience. We end up bringing it in-house. And then decide to work with Kai.
Why did you opt to go kind of with us after the in-house, few weeks or months or whatever that time frame was?
We got the recommendation from the Daily Mentor group that David Fogarty had started, where it's kind of recruiting sort of the best people in the industry in terms of e-commerce related stuff. And yeah, then we decided to give it another crack and just allocate out the SEO work to Kai, because I think when running a business, there's just a lot of things to look after. So we just wanted someone to just focus on the one thing and be able to increase organic traffic, because our business is definitely SEO and organic heavy as well.
Yeah. So how are you finding it so far? Like us being like a full service, like technical on-page and off-page SEO comparatively to kind of the individual specialized freelancers and agencies you worked with. How are you finding kind of the comparison between us and previous?
Yeah, good. I think the communication's been really good. It's nice to see you guys kind of measure e-com impact, so you can really see the revenue for the collections that are sort of driving real sales in. Whereas I think a lot of agencies focus on just, I guess, pure traffic metrics, but you guys have a bit more of an e-com focused conversion metric in place, which makes it easier to, I guess, value proposition the business.
So outside the recommendation from Daily Mentor, like were you guys actively looking for SEO, or did it kind of just come across your plate, or like what was like the decision? Like did it feel?
Yeah, I think we had worked with a few people and got a bit burnt with the agencies, I think. And I guess we just wanted to look for someone to just grow it and be passionate about the SEO. So we weren't like looking, not super actively. It kind of just came across and we said, okay, we can give it another crack.
Yeah, I've been doing it for a few months. It's been awesome connecting with you guys, obviously, and a handful of other brands. It's been a lot of fun. Outside of the communication, you mentioned that. What are your thoughts so far on like strategy, delivery, results so far?
It's been really good. I think the ability to get like good backlinks that drives traffic and improve like SEO authority on the page has been really, really good. Instead of just getting, I guess, kind of spammy links and randomized publications, they've been a lot more precise and relevant to the business, which has been really awesome.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, we spent a ton of time. Link building is one of the things we've really spent a lot of time on with you guys and a few other brands the last few months, like really getting into the niche publications that are driving traffic rather than just, kind of landing a link, on any random site. So outside that, you mentioned earlier also that like you wanted someone that was specialized in e-commerce SEO, like someone who, I think the word used was like in love with SEO. With that being said, like we take like pretty much everything in, like it's all full service for you guys. So like how much time do you think you spend per month thinking about SEO now?
Not much, to be honest. I think we just allocate it to yourself, which makes it easier for us to run the business when we're doing a million other things, marketing, website changes and all that kind of stuff. So it's nice to find someone who just has taken ownership of the SEO and is able to just focus purely on the one thing and look at the charts and the graphs and be obsessed with organic.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen over and share this. We'll go ahead and look at results. So we started working together, I believe it was early, like first week of June. Essentially, we're looking at data here from the first full month before we started together, which would have been May of 2024, compared to the last full month of now. So we're looking at essentially May of 24 versus September 24. In that amount of time, organic search revenue has gone up 42% across the board. Number of users up 22% across the board. Clicks is up 26% across the board. Number of sessions up 17%. Number of sessions is up 17%, and number of impressions are also up 6% across the board. Other thing to look at in Search Console here is roughly 6 months together now, looking at 43,000 more clicks over the last 6 month period between. So that's about a little over 7,000 clicks extra per month compared to the previous 6 months of us working together. Impressions were up like near just about 2 million over the last 6 months as well. So pretty substantial increases across the board. Have you guys felt that? Obviously, like the revenue number is obviously quite important, but have you guys felt kind of that growth injected into your business like in other channels or just in general across the business?
Yeah, I think we're slowly seeing year-on-year growth, and like it's been, I guess, in this economy, it's been really good to see.
Yeah, for sure. So just one last question, or I guess like two questions really. If a brand like you guys, menswear, another brand your size, whatever, was on the fence about working with, myself and our agency, anything you might say to them?
I think that if you've got a lot on your plate and you've got a bit of product market fit and you're looking to grow organic SEO, give Kai a crack. It's been really good. It takes ownership of it, and finding the right partners in business is critical, because then you can just allocate it to the right people, and instead of like micromanaging a bunch of things, you just can trust that they're going to take it and do the right thing and grow the business with you.
Appreciate that. And then any other like final thoughts? Like we've been together 6 months. I'm for sure looking forward to the next 3, 6, 9 months to go. Anything else?
I think SEO works in compounded efforts over the long term. So have a bit more of a medium to long term vision with SEO to really outgrow the ranks. Because I think you're competing against other businesses who are trying to do the same thing. And so it's critical to find the right partners who have done the thing before and have built those sort of improved rankings in the past.
Yeah, for sure. Cool, man. Well, thanks for your time. Really appreciate you jumping on. And I will see you in Slack.